Welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today we're going to be applying some RGS, some MicroGreene, and some Milorganite. Stay tuned. That green though. Let's go. If you like my content, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check the notifications bell, and always leave a comment in the comment section. Hi Jeremy, we're enjoying your videos. Hope this shirt and hat will work for your daughter. Enjoy.
Thank you, John, for the hat and shirt.
Very nice. John Perry card, Deetra Huff, Brad Huff, and John Perry. Thank you. Nice little leather coaster. Next t-shirt. Little Green County Fertilizer hat. Another little coaster, and another little t-shirt. Thank you very much. That green though, a damn son. So I framed this in, so I came around here and then I framed up top also. You can kind of see it as I go this way. Just gets kind of narrow in here. That's why I don't really frame a whole lot. Doesn't look too bad today, I guess. I guess I do have a lot more distance. I do appreciate you guys that have stayed on me and told me to frame it. It does look good. I like it. Today I'll be applying some RGS and some MicroGreene to my lawn. Getting a lot of questions lately what these products actually do for us, what they have in them, those types of things. For a very detailed explanation of it, go ahead and click on John's link up above. I can give you a quick rundown of what we are doing in our soil. So with RGS, it has humic acid, has fulvic acid, sea kelp extract. The humic acid, what it is, a chelator of the micronutrients that are down in our soil, and what it does is it makes it available for plant uptake. Sea kelp extract helps with our disease prevention. It helps with heat stress. So that's what the sea kelp does for us. So what this RGS is a root growth stimulator. It gets in there, it makes the roots grow longer, thicker, and better resistance to all the different elements that it's going to be up against: heat, stress, insect suppression, and it's going to help the turf perform better over the long, hot summer and all the issues that it's going to go through. What MicroGreene is a micronutrient pack that supplies us with the micronutrients that are not supplied with regular synthetic fertilizers on our nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium regimens. This actually comes with soluble potash, which is one of our macros. It comes with magnesium, sulfur, copper, iron, manganese, and zinc. It gives all those minor nutrients that go in there and assist in the grass's overall health. They help in the soil, and they give us a little bit of a greening up effect. They provide a more complete nutritional balance within our soil. Out applying, got the RGS, the MicroGreene, and the Milorganite on the lawn. When your lawn is actually on point like this, do you guys actually keep applying products? I'm staying on my schedule, but that power hit that I did the last time with the Air8 as the power really opened up my lawn, really helped it out. Got rid of that SS that I will never say again on this channel, hopefully. Let me know in the comments below, would you actually continue to apply, or would you have skipped this application? I'm going at such a low rate that I just applied to keep the green up. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys have any questions or comments regarding the N-ext products, please feel free to reach out to me. Let me know what you guys are seeing. I would love to know if you guys have questions, stuff I can help you out with. So reach out to me if you have questions. Feel free to leave it in the comments below. Hit me up on my email address, jeremyofthegreenerlawn@gmail.com. Pretty easy. Let me know what you guys are thinking, what you guys are seeing, what you guys actually want to see. I'd love to hear it. Let's continue to make her green. I'm Jeremy of The Greener Lawn. Make her green. Just giving some fellow lawn community individuals here on YouTube that are relatively new a shout out. Frezzy S. Lawn Dude
of The Greener Lawn
and RVA Lawn Love.
To Jeremy from The Greener Lawn.
Just like to say, go ahead and check out their channel, see what they have to offer. If you like what they have, go ahead and subscribe to their channels. Great guys, new to our community, and they need a little love too.
It's got TV here.
Got to put them on the internet for you, big man?
Oh yeah.
I got you on it.
If I can get
We'll
this
get
in,
him on it.
if I can get this in,
What you got? Don't even know yet. Look at him pull though. Look at him pull. Oh, he's coming to walk. He's coming to walk. Big man catching them. Getting them, knocking them down.
For the big time.